You are a co-creator of your reality. You have the power to get exactly what you desire. Unleash the power of your intention. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. What an incredible day to be soaring like a beautiful eagle and manifesting the life that you desire. Hey, I want to invite you to get my latest free audio program. This is a miracle hypnosis audio program that I believe will impact your life and bring more abundance into your world. miraclehypnosisonline.com/free audio. Free audio. That's right. Okay. So, intention. The power of your intention to create the life you desire. Having a clear, concise intention is absolutely essential. But let's really take a look at the word intention and see exactly what it means. Let me read this to you. Latin, from the Latin root, intentionum, a stretching out, straining, exertion, effort, attention. So think about that. Think about what you hear oftentimes from other law of attraction gurus who will say, well, yeah, of course, you just write it down and forget about it, and all of a sudden it pops up. And that happens enough of the time that there is a reality to that. But there's a larger reality to the fact that you are stretching out your deepest desire and goals. You are straining to expand who you are, your consciousness, your desires. And by doing that, you're putting effort. Look, I'm going to say it again. It's a meme that I've created, so I'm going to stick with it. There is no attraction without action. Dead people don't manifest anything. So think about that. You have this innate ability, this God-given ability within you to create an intention, but an intention without effort, an intention without desire, an intention without stretching out is just a wish. And that's okay. It's a beginning, but you need to take it to the next level. As I've often said, you need to put skin in the game. You need to invest in yourself and in your beliefs, and then take it out. Take it outside of yourself into the world you live in. Now, let me go on with the definition. It also means emotions, feelings, heart, mind, mental faculties. So we have the mental faculties working in combination with the heart, with our feelings. Sensation always precedes manifestation. Sensation, feelings always precede manifestation, according to Neville Goddard. It's a reality that you can't just believe it. It's not just good enough to think it. You must become it. You must feel it. You must know it. You must live it. You must stretch out from inside into the universe. And at the same time, the universe is reaching in within you. And it's at this point, this fulcrum, where the universe reaching in within you and you reaching out meet. Like that beautiful painting, I think by Michelangelo, where God is is reaching down and touching Adam's finger. It's at that moment, it's at that sacred moment that manifestation takes place, that it appears that you're the luckiest person in the entire world. We feel our way to manifestation. No matter how much you believe you can think your way to manifestation, all manifestation comes as a result of intensity, of feeling, of deep burning desire, not want. I know there's a couple other gurus out there that are telling you to want. But guess what? Wanting just keeps you in a state of want. You attract more want when you want. I know we used it in the title. It works better with the Google algorithms. But trust me, desire is where you want to live. A burning torch within yourself, but not want. What I'm doing is I'm fueling my feelings and my desires. And I'm acting and believing. It's more than just acting. I'm believing as if it is already present. The money is already here. The abundance is already present. The love in my life is standing next to me. Everything that I might desire is present now, and I feel it as if I already have it. Neville says to act as if the wish, or to feel as if the wish has already been fulfilled. I think it's more important to feel as if the wish is already present in your life. Now, I want you to think about this for a moment, high flyers. If emotional disturbances are the cause of disease, dis-ease, according to Neville, positive and happy and resourceful emotions are the cause of abundance. Okay, so as you monitor your thoughts, as you monitor your self-talk, are you creating thoughts of disease? Disease to your body, disease to your career, disease to your relationships, disease to your business, disease to your wallet and your bank account? Or are you creating thoughts that will lead to feelings that create abundance and prosperity and joy and happiness? And you see, it's like a cycle. One just leads to the other. You create thoughts of positive, happy emotions. That leads to more money, more abundance. More abundance, more money leads to more happy, positive emotions. And on it goes. High flyers, this is a wonderful experience. You are unleashing the power of your intention, and you're getting exactly what you desire. Now I'm going to give you a simple formula. You can do this right now. You can make this happen in your life. So high flyers, before I give you this formula, let me just state this from Neville Goddard again. It, meaning reality, the world we live in, always accepts to be true that what we feel to be true. What you feel to be true is how the reality of the world will manifest in your life. That's pretty powerful, high flyers. I mean, that's extremely powerful. So you want to ask yourself, what do I believe to be true? What do I feel right now in my emotions to be the truth? And you want to ask, are those feelings in alignment with what I desire? Okay, so here's the formula. Number one, you just clear yourself with some breath. And you just take a deep breath in, hold it for 4 seconds and out. Remain empty for 4 seconds and then breathe in. And you do this for about a minute or so. just clear yourself. It's called box breathing. In for 4, hold it for 4, out for 4, empty for 4. Pretty simple. Next, you're going to stand up, legs apart, and you're going to visualize an infinite light of source energy, an infinite presence of divine source coming down through your head, your neck, your body, your heart, down your spine, all the way down through your groin, pooling at your feet, and then circulating back up and coming down as more energy continues to come down. So basically you're creating a shaft of light down the center of your body. So high flyers, you're attracting this by clearing your breath and then closing your eyes, tilting your head back, and breathing in and bringing this shaft of energy down. It's pretty simple. It's all you have to do. Next, feel whatever it is you desire become new, exciting, present in your life. Feel it, experience it as if it were present right now, because in fact, it is. And then finally, after you have spent a moment or two experiencing whatever it is you desire, close your eyes and open up yourself to gratitude. Be grateful that the love you desire is in your life now. Be grateful that the money you desire is in your life now. Be grateful that the business you desire is in your life now. Stop thinking about something you want and be present right now. Feel it. Experience it. Enjoy it. Embellish it. And then end with gratitude. Okay? It's easy. You have the power to unleash your intention and get exactly what you desire. You have a great day because you're soaring high like a beautiful eagle. Bye-bye now.